Hello friends, we're here today in Puerto de la Cruz enjoying the slow flow of life. This is an extraordinary way of living. Here on the island of Tenerife, there is a special and very beautiful energy. And I want to take advantage of this environment to tell you about the launch of the Global Innovative Solutions Token, the first and true green utility token. In this regard, you're fortunate to get some very important information, because on the 21st of January 2022, the first of the 4 steps of pre-sale will start, which we have thought of offering to all those who want to make a contribution to this project and who want to take action to reduce the pollution of our planet in the form of eco-sustainability. And now let me get into specifics. Action is always rewarded. From January 21st, 2022 to February 20th, you can participate in the pre-sale of our token and have the opportunity to buy our token for only 2 cents. The second step, February 21st to March 20th, you will have the opportunity to purchase our token for 4 cents. The third step, from March 21st to April 20th, gives you the opportunity to buy our token at 6 cents. The last step, from April 21st to May 20th, gives you the opportunity to buy our token at only 8 cents. And know one thing, on June 21st, 2022, in conjunction with the beginning of summer, will also begin your and our summer, because it is an extraordinary day. The day our token will be launched on the market, it will be launched at 21 cents. To get all the information and clear picture of our project and to be able to fully view the white paper in all its facets, click on our site.